All right, so I'm getting stuff ready for my trip tomorrow. I took my chuck roast, I seasoned it up, and I cut it up into bites because there'll be a lot of people and I don't want to have to take a knife and fork and stab it and look like I'm a wild animal. I don't mind doing that in front of y'all. So, and then I've got this little bitty, it's about a tablespoon of some G. Hughes, the sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. So I'll have that. I've already got, I'm taking some more of this, the zucchini and tomato. And I have that, it's this dressing, hang on. Walden Farms raspberry vinaigrette. I've got that on there. That's on my vegetables. I'm going to take a couple waters with me so that way, you know, if I get thirsty. And then, let's see. So I got this is my lunch. I'll eat my breakfast before I go. So that way I don't have to deal with anything. That's my silverware. So that'll be my lunch. And now, this is what I'm doing. I'm opening up one bag of the Ranch Quest chips. I don't know why I got this big bag. And one bag of the Nacho Quest chips. I'll mix them up. So as we're in the meeting, if people are eating, if there's just too much temptation, I can eat this. And I won't feel deprived because I'll have my own little snacky snacks. I'll have my coffee, my protein coffee with me also. And we may stop on the drive back. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do. I'm going with my new co-director, so we'll just kind of see how things go. Oh, I'm gonna take. Oh, do I have any electrolytes? Any fruit flavored? Well, let me put some electrolytes in here. I'll just maybe do like 2 scoops of electrolytes in here. I'll take this along with me so that way I can refill my water while I'm there in the meeting and have that to help keep my belly satiated. And I'm also going to take one of these flavored drinks, the enhancers. So that's what I'm taking to the meeting tomorrow. Like I said, it's a 4-hour drive. So I'll eat breakfast before I go and then drive. And then when we get there, I'll probably be kind of peckish. So I'll have maybe some chips, whatever. And then I'll have my lunch. And then, like I said, depending on what we do on the way back. So that's all I'm taking though. I'm not taking anything else except for my water jugs and my coffee. So this is the prep for tomorrow. We leave at 5 in the morning. Blah, blah, blah. Good morning. It's 4:08 in the morning. We'll be leaving out at about 5:15-ish. I'm still in my pajamas. I'm still trying to wake up. I usually don't eat until I'm at work. Today, since I have to drive to Jefferson City, Missouri for work. And I'm about 4 hours. I'm on the southeast side of Missouri, so it's about a 4-hour drive. But anyway, so for breakfast, I'm going to have my ground beef. I'm not putting onions and the bacon stuff on it because I'm riding with somebody, and it'd probably be nice if I don't have onion breath. So I do have my umami. So I will have some onion breath, but I'll be putting that seasoning on it and some Redmond's real salt. I've already done that. So that's what I'm having for breakfast at 4:09. Hey there. I bought this and I'm going to eat some cheese. It is almost 9 a.m. Got my chuck roast, a little bit of barbecue sauce that I packed, 3 chicken sausages, and my vegetables. And that's what I've eaten so far, or eating so far. Hey y'all, I just got back from my trip. It's almost 8 o'clock. I ate what I showed you, my breakfast this morning. I didn't eat the onions, like I said. My lunch, I did good. I stuck to the plan. I didn't have anything that I shouldn't have had. And then I did eat 2 of those bags of Quest chips. I showed y'all me putting those in the Ziploc. And I'm not hungry. It's been a long day and I am going to bed. But those Quest chips, I mean, those are pretty filling. So I had those I know it's not ideal, but I have those for supper. So that's my lunch for tomorrow. We'll deal with tomorrow. I'll get everything plugged in real quick so you can see what I had today. All right. Hey, hi to my new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing, you guys. Thanks for watching. And have a good evening. And here's how everything plugs into Chronometer. Like I said, it's not a great day, but it's a day. And I stayed on plan. No cheating.